Generator. Kan gambling lagi. Udah dong, udah, nggak usah lari terus.
Sama tim, aku sama tim. Iya, dudukin sama tim gimana sih?
Iya, itu doang.
Pada sama tim.
Depan depan. Kayak biasa tim.
Tapak-tapakan gitu.
Sama lawannya depan depan.
Benar, lawan dulu kan.
Satu grup deh.
Tapi kan takut juga.
Ini kan dua.
Satu lagi.
Iya. Kita jadi ini dulu kan? Kamu ngapain? Jadi siang. Yang tiga di situ, yang memang gua. Mana kembali sih?
Jul, kamu dulu. Di sini. Kasih kesini ya.
Hah? Ini kenapa ada di sini?
Digeser sini loh kak. Digeser ya.
So, aku ada Pak. Is it possible if we just like this? Just like ini.
Tempelin.
Biar harus kan.
Oh, tempelin. Tempelin
Yes.
bisa.
Iya di sini juga.
Nggak bisa.
Gak bisa soalnya gak bisa berdiri.
Oh, I see. Okay, just like that. But we have to try something.
Sorry for Itu dulu geser dulu.
Kayaknya nanti yang membuatnya
Okay, the first one is supposed to be Zoe, Rafa, and Linda, I guess. Zoe will be the first speaker, so.
Lah, apa sih ini?
Kan kita kedua.
Yang tapi.
Nah ini.
Ini kira dua sampel kopi. Oh, sampel kopi.
Agak senyara sih.
Itu yang tadi itu.
Yang tiga sama
Solo, yang dua. Gimana sih? Lalu
Emang
Ini namanya di depan kamu
Aku nggak
masuk.
sih.
sana aja dia pas.
Ini.
Oh iya, you're right. I know.
Dah.
Gimana nih mas?
Belum, maskinya mana? Bukan maski.
Kan
di sini.
aku di sini.
It's your fault.
Oh, singgah sana aja.
Yes.
Kapan begitu?
Gue.
Ilham itu aja gak tahu. Kita gitu aku. Oh, iya.
Standby.
Ih, Kak.
Wah,
Ih, ngajut sekali ya.
Kalau kamu paginya pakai kobul, ya sorenya pagi buat semua.
Oh iya.
Nggak tahu. Harus baru sampai.
Kenapa kalau kamu sendiri langsung dikeroyok? Kamu awal menikah gesernya cuma.
Kok nggak jadi pakai caranya sobek-sobek?
Hah?
Lihat jadi beli, nggak jadi pakai yang sobek-sobek.
Iya, aku bilang sama mereka. Pas aku
Okay, the first one will be the happy birthday, right?
Yeah.
And now let's have add the decision. But I think we have to open the classes. I will do that for you.
Before we start our class, let's pray to Lord and God. Begin.
Pemanasan dulu. Okay, thank you, Zoe. Dino is asking for what pemanasan. What kind of pemanasan that we will have actually?
Warming
Warming up.
up.
Yes, I know, warming up, but what's that?
And you can pray again.
Dan ini drawing.
Ya dong.
Kayak kalau sudah bakal makan ya. Do we need any warming up? First the position first. So wait, Roy is in my left side. Yes. Okay, and you are with the front. Okay. The first speaker of the rows is supposed to be Zoe.
Bisa.
And oh, jadi first speaker dari sana ya, mana sih? Okay, so first will be the first. Iza, who's the first? Oh, first speaker di mana?
Ya boleh.
It must be the tengah one is the second one, right? Okay.
Kamaya. Enggak, aku bener mau juga ada.
Oh iya, kalau di sana berarti tidak apa.
Kamaya tadi. Kita
Oh,
tuh.
di sini ada.
Ada.
Gila.
Beda.
Just change.
Bukan ada sifatnya.
Lalu aku kayak gitu.
Yang itu.
Maksudnya jadi dia masang
Apa?
Nah,
Aku dulu semua.
Sudah 3
apa yang
juta.
terjadi?
yang ini kan. Yang ini.
Kan kok bapaknya satu.
Jadi ini bukan satu. Ini bukan hotel.
Oh, yang bapak nih pokoknya yang beneran yang ini nih.
Iya.
Okay, the positions of the debaters are on positions, but now it's time for us. I guess before we start, okay. Let's have a look at this one.
Oh ininya dulu. Moderator.
Yes, we are looking for that. We are looking for the moderator. We are looking for the timekeeper. From the second round,
Kita
right?
moderator. Saya moderator.
Okay, this one.
Ini.
So anybody wants to be the timekeeper for maybe
Skrip yang paling pertama mau dibikin.
Timekeeper.
boleh?
Ngapain? Timekeeper.
Moderator.
Jadi bilang.
Okay, then moderator. Anybody wants to be the moderator from the
Apa nih?
second round?
Itu moderator dan time skipper tadi tuh.
Let's go game day.
Mana? Tadi moderator orang time skipper.
Who's that? Okay. The moderators and the timekeeper must be from the people from the second round. So it can be like the Samson or Maya in that order. So anybody wants to be the moderator first? You know moderator? This one. The moderator must introduce the speakers. And then speaking order. And the timekeeper is like signaling, right? The timekeeper class is this one.
Jadi contohin dulu.
Bisa, sorry. The timekeeper must knock one time for this one. So they must knock it like this for 1 minute. And when the speaker is delivering their debate in the third, in the ministry, they must be this one. So anybody wants to be the timekeeper?
Timekeeper bang enak tuh kerjanya.
Aku udah pakai kayak ini kan?
So can I be timekeeper?
Yes,
Jadi dapat aja mana?
So Ilham will be the timekeeper. And what about the moderator?
Bisa dicontohin dulu nggak kalau moderator?
Dari sisanya nanti bakalan jadi judges ya? Dari second one terus. It can be like Afan, I guess, or Maya. Apa? Do you want to be the moderator? Yeah,
Gak usah sambil makan tapi.
Okay, you just introduce the speakers. Right? You just introduce who is the speaker from the first
Yes.
and the second.
Yes. Lengkap tambah lagi.
Terlalu banyak. Okay, and inviting the speakers. Like, let's invite the first speaker from the first team. The floor is yours. Can you? Okay. So, do we need any time to prepare everything? Like 5 minutes, right?
Just.
No. Moderator sih, especially maybe you want to arrange your.
Oke, ngabisin Pak Paul.
Oh, Pak Paul.
Gimana?
Okay. Let's practice on.
Wah ya, slow banget.
Minum dulu. Sangat bapaknya.
Email.
Yeah. Okay.
Tapi dua pakai. Di antara itu.
Are you the first speaker?
Yes.
Okay. Will you give a new argument? Zo. Will you give the new argument?
First.
Oh, first. You say you are the third.
Is first.
You are the third. So are you going to give a new argument in your speech?
Yes, summarize.
Yes, good. Because it is forbidden actually to give a new argument for the third speaker. So maybe you just give a new example from the first or the second argument. Okay, good. Now we are heading to the real rules of debate. Okay. And we start now. So Mr. Moderator will be Afan, and the timekeeper will be Ilham, right? Wait. We have three options to have a debate time, whether it is like 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, or 7 minutes. So which one do you like? Sorry? 3 minutes.
Kemarin 4 kan?
Okay, 3 minutes for first practice, right? And the second practice will be like 5 minutes. Do you agree with that?
Second.
Second apa?
Tadi gimana?
Untuk waktu speech-nya itu, waktu untuk delivering your speech, your debate itu bisa 3, 4, 5, sama 7. So which one do you like to choose?
3.
3 ya?
Ngomong itu bahas sejarah.
Biasanya sih kalau misalnya leveling, pakai leveling. Kalau di kota biasanya 3 menit. Nasional 7. So kita di internasional berarti ya, sejam.
Oke, betul. Let's go.
Kalau 3 gimana? Kalau 3 itu berarti gimana kalau 3? Matanya kan ada di atas sana. Atau berapa pemain? Bisa more? Tapi kok sih nggak ada ya? Free aja, berarti nanti notes ya. Do you still remember what is protected time?
Yeah.
Like the time you are forbidden to give the POI, right? Jadi kalau 3 menit itu nggak boleh memberikan POI di menit pertama ya, waktu terakhir. Ya berarti hanya 10 menit itu untuk menyampaikan POI. Oke? So POI is only like 20 seconds.
Ya POI-nya itu tinggal di dokumen saya.
I think Zul can count it as last figure, so he doesn't know that. Do you know what is POI? Point of
Point of interest.
Points of information, right? So it can be a short questions or comment raised by the opposing speaker. So it's just to challenge or clarify your opponent's argument. Do you know what I mean? Do you know how to give your POI style? You have to stand up and touch your head and then raise your hand. No, we will not do that. Because I didn't do that one. I just stand up and raise my hand. Okay, so it's only like 15 seconds to 20. So the timekeeper, when somebody is delivering POI more than 20 minutes, you can say time's up. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, good. Berarti 3 menit dealnya ya? Okay. So, Ilham, just be ready with your knob and your what's that? Your timer. And then I'm gonna ask you for the duration, right? Ilham, when I ask you for Genta or for Zoom maybe or for the time, right? You must knock the time. You know what I mean? I will ask you about the duration of every single letters. Oke, misalnya dari ini 1 menit, misalnya 1 jam 20 menit, misalnya, dan lain-lain ya. Oke, nah selebihnya berarti Intan, Alina, dan Rani, and then Maya will be the judges. Okay. So what is judges? Of course, the one who give what? Where's judges? Where's judges? Okay, judges is something like what? This one. So you must evaluate your friend's performance. It can be your. Sebenarnya sih ada dua kayak manner and manner. So what's manner? Do you still remember what's manner? Manner and method. Jadi fokusnya ke yang dua itu aja. Wait. Kalau di sini sih konten, berarti kayak argumennya tolong diperhatikan ya judges kayak mereka tuh menggunakan area enggak gitu loh, kayak do you know area right? Then what is A?
Assumption.
A stands for assumption. and R stands for reason, and E stands for
Evidence.
evidence, and L
Link.
link back. It's supposed to be like link back.
Yeah.
Okay, berarti judges please be concerned on this area, right?
Nice.
Because there will be written and verbal feedback from the judges. Can we start now? Look, kok ada diem?
Simulasi.
Is there any peer assessment?
Sorry?
Is there any
Peer assessment will be in the second practice.
Latihan.
So we just like, ya, latihan aja lah ya sekarang. Practice
Iya,
sekarang ya.
iya.
Nanti kalau bisa sendiri juga ya sekarang ya.
Kak, ini go to toilet.
Yes.
No, harus ditahan.
To restroom.
Apa tuh? What did Zul say? Say?
Hold.
Okay.
Cool.
Hold your pee.
I strongly hope that there will be any POI. It's okay. Do you know? Jadi kalau misalnya kalau no berarti no thanks ya. Kalau yes yes please.
No thanks. No thanks.
Belum. Maksudnya.
Oke.
Okay. Okay, we wait for. No.
Same person.
Oke, Mr. Moderator sudah disusun kata-katanya. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the debate session.
Jeng 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 jeng.
Nah, kenapa?
Memastikan 3 menit atau 4 menit jadinya?
3 ya? Tadi 3 atau berapa? 3 ya? Nah, jangan dong.
Ya, singan. Jadi kita
3 aja, oke? Berarti nanti knock-nya di menit berapa? Knock kedua menit ya?
Menit kedua.
Berarti yang berapa kalau yang 2? 3? Mungkin banget kayak di sini berarti 2 knocks ya? Kalau udah sampai ke menit kedua itu berarti 2 knocks. Is it like that?
Ya, betul.
Yes.
Okay. Berarti POI-nya cuma di berapa ya?
1 menit.
1 menit.
Kayaknya nggak bakal ada POI sih 1 menit. Nggak bakal dikasih POI 1 menit.
No.
Nah, jadi yang mana? Nah, itu POI bisa dijadikan sebagai strategi kalau kita kecepatan ngomongnya dan kurang dari 1 menit ya.
Iya.
Ngomong terlama. Itu sih kita stimulus buat nanti POI yang diberikan POI. Sebenarnya kalau dengan POI yang udah question yang hard itu juga jadi berat. Okay. Are we ready now? Yes, of course. I'm not ready yet. So, Mr. Moderator, can we start now?
Yes. Opening dulu.
Okay, please.
Opening dulu.
Okay, good evening everyone.
And,
Next speakers.
Can you just speak water, please?
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the debate session.
Ada opening. Okay. Nice.
Today we will listen and
This one.
okay. This house must.
This house what? The motion
Oh, yeah.
for today's debate is
The
motion.
motion of the debate today is coffee versus tea at work. Which one better for productivity? Okay.
Tanpa menunggu lama kalau saya bisa. Without further delay.
We are
Without further ado.
Yang Messi judge itu.
we are overdue.
Without.
Oh, without overdue. Without overdue.
Without apa?
Any would I do?
Oke, boleh.
That's just what we do.
Without further ado, let's start our delay.
Without further ado, let's go start the debate.
Let's start the delay.
I will introduce. So the first speaker must be
The first speaker from the proposition.
the first speaker for the proposition is Zulfikar.
Zulfikar.
Then the second speaker is Akan
Islam, and then
and Genta for the third speaker. Then for the for the opposition teams,
yes. The first
first
speaker
speaker
will be
of the opposition teams is Izzat, then Lukas, and Demi for the third speaker.
yes. Lukas as the second speaker, and then you will be the first speaker.
Okay, I will.
Okay. Let's invite the first speaker from the affirmative team.
Oh gitu, nggak kayak ngasih tahu dulu ini.
Oh, boleh langsung. Flow-nya.
Apa over? Tahu lah.
Emosi banget.
Okay, I will invite the first speaker for the opposition team. Zulfikar for
The floor is yours. Yes. Nah, silakan bentar ya. Hitungannya adalah mulai ketika berbicara. Oke.
Good evening, honorable judges, timekeeper, and my worthy opponents. We, the affirmative team, strongly believe that coffee is better than tea for productivity at work. Let me begin by defining the motion. Coffee refers to a brewed beverage made from roasted coffee beans known for its caffeine, content, and energizing effects. Tea refers to infusion of tea leaves, generally contain less caffeine and providing a middle effect. Our team believes coffee enhances productivity in three key ways. Coffee increases alertness and focus. Coffee boosts energy and motivation, improving work performance. And the third, coffee encourages social interaction and innovation at the workplace. As the first speaker, I will focus on how coffee enhances alertness and concentration. Ladies and gentlemen, productivity often depends on mental alertness and sustained attention, especially for professionals in fields like IT, design, or finance. According to a 2023 study by Harvard E.H. Chan School of Public Health, moderate coffee consumption 2 to 3 cups per day improves alertness, attention span, and short-term memory. Another study by the Journal of Psychopharmacology 2019 found that participants who consume caffeine from coffee showed a 12% faster reaction time and higher focus in cognitive tasks compared to green tea. Tea may calm the mind, but calmness is not always helpful in high-demand workplaces. Coffee keeps the brain active and engaged, the perfect formula for productivity. Therefore, for focus and attention, coffee clearly outperforms tea. Thank you.
Okay. Yay. Okay. How long for the duration? 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. 2 minutes and
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Ketok 2 kali. Udah.
Oh, kalau keras keras ya, pakai paku aja.
Iya.
Helm siapa?
Itu Genta ya? Then, we will listen the argument from the opposition. So is that first, please?
Thank you for your presentation.
Makin lembas aja.
Yeah.
Kira-kira bakal nih.
Yes, please, but can we repeat again?
Louder.
Let's invite the first speaker.
Okay,
Louder, louder.
I will invite the first speaker from the opposition teams. So Iza, the floor is yours. Please give our argument.
Thank you, Mr. Rahman. Okay, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, our honorable judges, timekeeper, and our author. You see, yes, indeed, coffee have more caffeine than tea, but at what cost? You see, it also comes with side effects. It has many other side effects that also affect our performance. Too much caffeine can give us a headache or insomnia. It affects our sleep pattern and our sleep quality. You see, yes, we need energy boost, but we also need a quality rest, right? We have to sleep peacefully. So, too much of caffeine can affect that sleep pattern that it worse your performance for the next day. Here I have a collaboration. According to Sleep Medicine Review 2021, it confirms that excessive caffeine disrupts deep sleep and REM sleep, lowering next day performance. In contrast, tea provides alertness in a more stable way. Moreover, tea is rich in antioxidant, which protect the body against chronic disease such as osteoporosis caused by too much caffeine and erosion our bones. When we got insomnia, because of the effect of salt of energy that comes from the caffeine from coffee, yeah, we it will make you awake, but it also makes you can sleep our time. We need it for rest. Therefore, while coffee gives a good boost, the answer consider productivity and support from the heart. With my second speaker will strengthen our argument that tea is more beneficial for productivity than coffee. Thank you.
2 minutes and 29 seconds.
Jangan sampai kasih patah lagi. 29. 2 minutes and 29. 2 minutes and 29 seconds.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So before we listen from opposition, let's listen our opposition from siapa speaker?
Ya, ini yang saya proposisi nih.
Opposition dulu kan?
Iya.
Proposition team.
Ya kan tadi kan proposisi ya?
Ya tadi ngomong apa? From opposition team. So Rakan, please argue.
Argue. Suruh nyuruh ini argue.
Enggak, suruh.
Harusnya orang moderator ya. Oke.
Please the floor is yours.
The floor is yours. Let's invite it. Okay. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
let's invite Rakan. The second speaker.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Rahman. Me, I'm as a second speaker of the opposition team. I will begin by responding to the opposition team claim that coffee causes negative side effects such as insomnia. We acknowledge that excessive coffee consumption can have side effects. However, moderate consumption about 2 and 3 cups per day is considered safe and even beneficial according to the FDA, and Harvard research. The key is moderation, not elimination. In fact, when wastely, coffee enhance alertness and mental performance without causing harm. While tea can also reduce iron absorption and stain teeth. No, moving to my point. Coffee not only improve and mood but also strengthen workplace culture, but of which significantly enhance productivity. First, coffee stimulant dopamine and serotonin release, chemical linked to happiness, motivation, and focus. 20 and 22 study by Johns Hopkins University found that coffee drinkers experience better mood and alertness for up to 4 hours after drinking coffee. Secondly, coffee helps work.
Oke, Yohan, silakan.
Thanks. Secondly, coffee shapes work culture to the coffee brew tradition, which encourages communication and teamwork. According MIT Sloan Management Review 2018, informal coffee brews increase collaboration and problem solving by up to 20%. While tea promotes relaxation, extensive calmness, and can reduce alertness and slow decision in high pressure workplace. Coffee energy connect and express the perfect trio for productivity. Therefore, coffee is not just behavior. Beverage.
Oke, silakan. Oke, silakan.
Can I finish?
Yes, just finish.
Last statement.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
It is catalyst for the creativity, connection, and performance. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Moderatornya aktif ya. Moderator needs something actually.
May I take my tumbler?
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
I love being a moderator.
So
Actually,
thirsty.
in the debate, when the speaker is not finished their speech, mungkin kita pakai kode dia, just like that.
Oh,
So, give or not like. Tapi itu kalau sudah, kalau misalnya masih 3 menit kayak 30 detik itu kayak gitu. Yang kayak gitu tuh udah kalau udah 4 menitan, kalau dari waktu yang ditentukan kayak 3 menit kan kita menentukan ya. So, jadi memang ada 3:30 apa sebenarnya.
Oke.
Ya itu belum saya sampaikan. Sebentar, tadi ada di Batol ya dari Raka.
Iya.
Bisa. Itu baru dapat tadi atau udah di skenario ini?
baru tadi sih.
Oh, baru dapat, bagus berarti. Oke, please, moderator.
I think itu di bawah itu.
Iya, tapi itu di Batol enggak, maksudnya POI maksudnya.
Oh, bukan.
Oh iya, kita juga
Itu.
dari Zoom benar. Cuman yang saya pengen ngobrol adalah kebetulan di Batolnya si siapa? Bahkan itu ada data API.
Ya.
Kalau di Batolnya itu ada ini nggak research nggak?
Ya.
Oh ada juga, oke bagus. Berarti langsung on the spot ya?
Betul.
Oh betul. Critical thinking-nya udah terbentuk lumayan ya. Nah itu on the spot ya? Oke. POI please. Oh iya, when you want to address a POI, you can say POI please.
Iya.
POI please. POI please gitu ya. Jangan banyak biar ke-distract.
Maybe speak to
POI. POI please. Oke. Oke, yes, Mr. Rafa.
Okay, thank you for the sector. We will listen our opposition team from the second speaker. So, Lukas, the floor is yours.
Bentar dong, bukan. Waktunya berapa menit tadi, Pak?
3 minutes and 50 seconds.
50 seconds.
50.
50.
Yes.
15.
I can see 15, sir. 15, sir.
Okay.
So Lukas, please.
Greeting from the judges, timekeeper, and for the audience. I'm Lukas as the second speaker of the opposition team will explain why caffeine in coffee can have negative effects. Tea promotes consistent focus and healthier performance, while coffee only offers a stable short-term energy because caffeine in coffee have high dose of caffeine, which leads us to block adenosine inside our brain. While adenosine inside our brain is too much, it leads us to energy drop. That's why it's called caffeine crash. And thanks to tea that has less caffeine, so it makes us feel constant and significant productivity. But while coffee only lasts long for 3 to 5 hours. After that, it's gonna be caffeine crash. Randomized sample that published Nutrition 2019 demonstrate that L-theanine significantly reduce stress and improve attention. Furthermore, a systematic review in Plant Foods for Human Nutrition 2016 conclude that L-theanine supports cognitive performance without the negative effects linked to high caffeine. You Iris? Guys, you mentioned tea is healthier, but isn't that because tea contains less caffeine, meaning it's also less effective when you actually need energy? Yes, caffeine have high caffeine, right? But it's only lasts long for 3 to 5 hours. But after that, you cannot be productive because the effect is all done. It's caffeine crash.
Jangan talk, please. Tetap disagree.
So for whole day productivity, it's better for tea than coffee.
Okay. Okay. Lagi kan? Yes.
The professional argues that coffee helps employees stay awake and focus. That might be true that short term, but research in sleep medicine review 2021 clearly showed caffeine disrupts sleep quality and reduces sleep rust, which lowers productivity for the whole day. While tea supports both immediate alertness and long-term balance. Therefore, tea is not only healthier but also more reliable for consistent productivity in our work. Thank you.
Yay. Okay.
Thanks for the second speaker. So Ilham,
Yes.
how long is it?
2 minutes and 42 seconds.
42 seconds. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, last but not least. Okay, Mr. Moderator, sorry for interrupting. Never say alright.
Alright.
I know every single speaker has their own aura, right? Lukas dengan aura ke apa soft kanannya ya. Hipnotis ya. Oke. Silakan. Siapa lagi kita? Belum invite.
So we will invite the third speaker from the proposition. So Genda, the floor is yours.
Okay, Honorable Judge, Timekeeper, and worldly opponents. As the third speaker of the affirmative team, it's my duty to summarize our case, reinforce our stats, and demonstrate why this motion that coffee is better than tea for productivity at work must happen. From the very beginning, our team has presented a clear, evidence-based argument. Our first speaker stabilized that coffee enhances alertness, focus, and cognitive performance, supported by studies from Harvard University and the Journal of Psychopharmacology. The evidence already show that moderate coffee consumption improve reaction time, attention span, and short-term memory, all essential components of productivity. Our second speaker explained this by proving that coffee also boosts mood, motivation, and workplace culture. Drawing from credible research by Johns Hopkins University and MIT Sloan Management Review. She demonstrated how coffee promotes the release of dopamine and serotonin, improving employee energy and morale. He also highlighted that coffee fosters teamwork and collaboration throughout the culture of coffee breaks, which increases creativity and problem solving within the workplace. Now, the opposing team has raised concern about potential side effects such as insomnia or something like. However, their argument lacks balance and they focus on the extremes on excessive consumption, while ignoring the fact that most professional consume coffee is moderate and healthy amount, according to both U.S. Food and Drug Administration and Harvard Health published in 2021. Moderate coffee intake probably to 2 until 3 cups per day is not only safe but beneficial. It supports brain function, reduces bad EQ, and is even associated with a lower risk of depression and type 2 diabetes. Meanwhile, the opposition also emphasizes that tea is healthier or more relaxing. Yes, but it's not about relaxing or general health, but about productivity at work. And when it comes to maintain focus, sustaining motivation, and encouraging collaboration, coffee remains far superior. Tea might calm the mind, but calmness alone does not drive innovation, meet deadlines, or inspire performance in fast-paced workplace. Throughout this debate, our team has constantly proved through logic, evidence, and real-world examples that coffee is the most effective beverage for boosting productivity. In summary, coffee sharpens the mind, uplifts the spirit, and connects people. It fuels creativity, cooperation, and commitment. The very pillars of productivity work environment, from small startup to major global corporation. Coffee continues to be the drink that for productivity. Thank you.
Trinoxnya udah.
Oh, tetap Trinoxnya.
Oh iya dong, masa nih?
Trinoxnya tetap, tapi ketika lebih dari kayak lebih semenit kayak baru.
Oh, karena bisa.
Ganti time keepernya juga.
Boleh tuh, asalkan kalau udah paling ke atas ya. Oke, kalau udah Trinox, tapi tadi udah kedengeran Trinoxnya.
Enggak,
Kan ada. Oh, kalau Trinox itu kan yang sampai dua ya. Nah, kalau yang ketiga tuh Trinox. Oke, itu masih boleh tuh sampai 330 ya.
Ya.
Tapi kalau misalnya udah di atas itu, oke, 4 Nox. Di atas 4, udah tuh kayak tadi. Moderatornya panik ya. Udah gitu.
Iya.
But it's okay. Kalau di real debate itu sebenarnya tidak ada moderator ya. To be honest ya. Yang kayak menginvite itu adalah judges in the debate. Tapi kan kita juga mau belajar how to moderating ya. Kalau ada overtime, ada timekeeper. Timekeeper tetap ada di real competition.
Iya.
Kita pakai launching.
Masih aku.
Bukan.
Masih.
Oke. Can we again?
Nice. Okay, thanks for the.
Sebentar maaf. Waktunya.
4 minute and
Waktunya.
13
Berapa?
4 minute
Berapa
13
30.
13 second 4 minute and 13 second
40 30.
30 ya?
13.
13. Okay, good. Okay, Mr. Moderator, please.
Okay. So I will invite the speaker for the presentation. So Hilmi, the floor is yours.
Good evening, honorable judges. Thank you for the evidence. As the speaker of the opposition team, I will not bring any new arguments, but instead summarize our positions and show why coffee is not the better choice for productivity. First, our speaker has explained that coffee's high caffeine may boost energy, but at the cost of serious side effects such as anxiety, insomnia, and headache. Tea with lower caffeine provides a gentler stimulation that avoids those problems. Second, our second speaker has proven with research that tea's tannin reduce stress and improve attention, unlike coffee, which disrupts sleep and creates dependency. Tea offers a stable and consistent focus that truly support workplace productivity. Now, let us look at the weaknesses of the proposition. They argued that coffee makes employees more alert and energetic and more creative. However, their argument ignores the fact that this energy is temporary and often followed by a crash. Scientific evidence such as the review in Sleep Medicine Review 2021 shows that caffeine harms sleep quality, which directly lowers performance the next day. So coffee has a short-term energy but unstable and has harmful side effects. The tea has sustainable focus, reduced stress, and better long-term productivity. In conclusion, our team has demonstrated that tea provides consistent focus, support health, and prevent the negative consequences of coffee. Productivity is not about quick energy, but about sustainable performance. For this reason, we strongly believe that tea is better than coffee for productivity and work. Thank you.
2 minute and 34 second
34 seconds. Bentar. Tadi itu yang terakhir nox-nya yang kedua ya? Dua
Iya.
nox ya?
Iya.
Oke. Dua nox ya? Oke. Tadi kayak dua nox kan?
Ya, ada sungainya tadi.
Ya, kan?
Ada sungainya.
Kayak dikira selalu lagi dua, tiga sih ya? Atau kenapa sih gitu ya?
Ada sungainya.
Oke, thank you guys for the I don't know why. Karena because this one is in the adult levels, so if we just talk about the matters, what of them has strong matters actually. Apalagi dari ada John Hopkins and MIT, right? Harvard.
Yes.
And then dari kalau yang ini apa ya?
Berarti
Wikipedia ada enggak?
It jokes.
Ini just joke. That's right, actually. Oke. Nah, kalau mentor itu balance ya. Now we're coming to the manner. You know manner, right? Manner is what? Do you know what is manner in the dictionary? It's something like the method, the way of delivering our speech. So between the team, pro, and cons, the one who have what we call it manners actually. You know manners like the item tags, like the style of delivering the debate, They're the power, their inner powers, right? And I like Isa actually because you have successfully met the square become the stimulus and you like sleep like naturally. Right?
Yeah, just react.
Sorry?
Yeah, just react.
Okay, this is what I want actually. You're not like really cool. So you just make your screen just stimulus apa ya? Kalau bahasa Indonesia stimulation itu apa ya? Stimulus ya?
Stimulus.
Hah?
Stimulus.
Stimulus bahasa lainnya apa?
Kayak pemicu.
Pemicu, yes. Like pemicu. Nah, harap sih skripnya itu adalah pemicu, bukan yang pertama ya. Itu mannernya dipegang oleh ini manner yang natural itu ya, Iza. Terus sepertinya juga manner yang kedua adalah ini Demi. Oke, Demi seperti biasa sudah menjadi orang ya. It's a gift, I guess. Your eye contact is almost there. But again from mentors yang seperti kayak udah debaters nih, lumayan lama adalah Genta. Because he summarizes not only the argument from the first and the third, but also ada libato. Jadi kayak dibasmi itu libatonya maksudnya dibasmi itu argumen dari mereka ya. Kalau dia ini ada membasmi nggak selain summarizing argumen dari mereka?
Dia membasmi.
Yang their argument ignores the fact that this energy is temporary and often qualified.
Tapi terintegrasi di dalam ini ya argumen first and second gitu. Aku tak bisa terintegrasi kan? Tidak terpisah ya maksudnya antara summarizing and then rebutting the arguments on. Benar pasti nyambung karena apapun itu dia pasti nyambung ya. Cuma kayak pemisah maksudnya jelas gitu loh maksudnya apa ya namanya? Antara summarizing the first and the second argument and then elaborating dengan sesi dengan melibat satu-satu itu argumen lawan itu masih kurang tajam walaupun sebenarnya juga secara tidak langsung melibat ya. Nah itu tuh yang ditajamin aja sih yang perbedaannya biar sih education kalau di lomba itu apa namanya notice ya, realize ya, sadar akan hal itu. Oke. Yang lainnya juga sih nggak bisa direvisi. Nah ini yang tambahan lagi nih POI ya, Ayu itu Zul. Ini Zul emang spesialisasinya di POI ya. Because your POI is exempted by the class. Tapi hati-hati timnya Zul untuk tidak terkesima ya. Tidak terkesima dari belakang. Aku aja, itu kayak Alan Sanders sih ngomongnya tuh. Oke. Nah kalau meter itu saya nggak bisa bilang kalau di duanya itu ada. So, based on some consideration, I think from the first practice, marginnya sih sebenarnya kalau dari meter nggak ada ya, tapi manner karena kita punya dua nih yang udah oke mannernya ya, maksudnya you know manner right? Yes. The way how we deliver our matter and that really go to the conflict. Bro tinggal di berargumen kenapa? Kalau argument atau meter kan nggak ada masalah ya, itu sangat-sangat sama. Tapi kalau argumen sih dari sini sih kalau saya. Oh. Cuma kan tapi kan serius karena kan lumayan banyak argumen dari yang kredibel banget ya. Apalagi itu ada di baru-baru 2022, 2018, 2023 Harvard ya. 2019. Nah, ini 2016. Kalau dari lagi ada. Iya, tapi 10 tahun itu yang paling lama ya. Karena kalau di akademik itu 4 tahun. Iya, 5 years ya. Ya kan, nah itu. Jadi bukan sebenarnya menghibur ya, Zo ya. Tapi serius itu matters. Cuma kan ada dua nih matternya yang ini. Tapi kalau si Lukas juga lumayan ini. Natural apa namanya hampir menjadikan skrip itu sebagai pemicu tapi kurang aja nih kurang gitu ya. Kurang apa sih?
Greget.
Kurang nonjok.
Tonjok.
Nunjuk versi.
Okay, seperti itu. So thank you. And now we are coming to the second round.
Nice.
So who wants to be the moderator? Denny, no.
Oke, Devi.
No, just kidding. Untuk yang round 1 siapa yang jadi timekeeper and moderator? Oh iya, judges, lupa. Nah, kita invite dulu nih judges dari first round.
Nice.
Ada feedback nggak judges?
Judges.
Pak, dan Ali. Enak dan.
Seramben.
Ramen.
Dia have any suggestion?
Biasanya seramben.
Kalau menurut kalian gimana?
Jadul.
Manner and jumper. Kira-kira dari dua hal itu, tim pro atau cons? Widih. Yes, not that.
In my opinion,
Yes.
matter from sides. Either it's from pro and cons. It's pretty have strong arguments.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Uh,
Couldn't agree more.
it's based on international
Yes.
studies.
Yes. And then,
I just don't expect it.
oh, you just didn't expect it.
Nice. Tolong
Oke.
medalinya kasih sini.
Is that all?
Maybe from the mental
From what?
Manner side.
Oh, manner side. Yes.
From the cons team, it have strong
Manner.
a strong body language and
Body language. Yes.
Nice.
Yes. Gestures, right?
it helps us
Yes.
as audience or
Yes. Judges. Yes.
to understand their arguments better.
I strongly agree with you. Karena itu emang real experience ya. Jadi kemarin gue di final yang lebih kayak manusia tuh kayak ini ya, maksudnya kayak tapi ternyata waktu di final yang membuat tim menang itu karena barang siapa yang mampu mempengaruhi manusia-manusia di bumi itu sebanyak dia lebih karena waktu di final mereka sampai penontonnya itu sampai dia tuh turun apa namanya itu style dari apa namanya convincing meyakinkan sampai ngajak nanya audiens tadi don't you know that something like that gitu ya. Jadi emang itu powerful banget sih even though the matter is so.
Yeah, my first time
Your first planning what? Like that.
because it's just practice.
Yes. Oh.
Cari pembenaran.
Kita tunggu ya. Okay, thank you. Again, you can get back. Oh, yang moderator siapa? Jadinya? Belum tahu ya?
Siapa Mas Afan? Iya, Mbak nunjuk.
Oh iya, apa? Karena belum pernah ini ya. Oh iya, silakan. Oh iya,
Jangan apa cuy.
mau tunjuk atau sekitar?
Percaya pada gajah.
Jangan gacha tapi jangan rajin.
Gajah tapi sih julidnya.
Saya gacha kali itu.
Ya, maksudnya Zul itu 5 kali, yang lain sekali-sekali.
Iya.
Boleh.
Ya,
Bisa kan?
Lebih fortuna berpihak pada.
Udara nih.
Iya.
Kita 2, enggak?
Benta 10.
Jangan dong, itu bikin dulu gacha ya. Rakan. Is it right? Awas.
Makan.
Awas is your name also.
Last name.
Your last name. Nigger guys. Nigger. Udah.
Bisa.
Bisa pakai ya.
Bisa. Oke, ini jangan lah ya. Bener apa kami?
Biarin, biarin.
Gak apa-apa.
Iya, Pak.
Tambah bener ya, gak apa-apa kan?
Tambah 2 lagi. Tambah 3 lagi.
Keren.
Bandar judo.
Astagfirullah.
Ini siapa nih moderator atau timekeeper nih? Moderator.
Menyesal dengan tubuhnya saya.
Oke lagi Pak.
Oke,
Besok lagi.
Nanti tekniknya juga.
Enggak, ini offering ada nggak yang mau? Iya, kalau zoologis nggak apa-apa.
Boleh boleh.
Bentar. Timer nggak ada nih? Oh ya, ini ya. Oke, good. Oke, please select your positions. Silakan. Oh ya, ini oke.
Oh pindah.
Aduh mulus lah.
Belum lagi.
Apa di sini aja?
Oh, bisa.
Sini aja. Biar berhadapan.
Nice, nice.
Hari ini dulu nggak
Sama.
Lah kenapa harus
Iya.
Iya, bener.
Sini aja.
sini aja di sini?
Gak usah guys.
Terus
Bentar ya. Sini ngomong.
Kan udah berhadapan.
Berhadapan.
Sini aja ya.
Udah daripada
Ya, sini aja.
Jadi nggak bisa nih.
Nggak
Tahu.
Udah depan.
Tapi sudah berurutan.
Sudah.
Belum,
Udah,
kan?
udah. Ini udah di depan Ilham.
Sudah. Di depan Ilham.
Oh, sebentar. Berarti pro-nya sebelah sini sekarang.
Yes.
Iya.
Yes.
Ya kan Ramdhani is pro.
Iya.
And this one is on. Ramdhani harusnya berhadapan dengan apa sudah benar. Dia berhadapan dengan Maya sudah benar.
Maya.
Iya.
Nah, oh iya benar ya. Oke. So, I think we can start. Now, then Mr. Zul, I guess.
Iya dong.
Ladies and gentlemen, could I have your attention please?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Let's start our debate competition. Let me introduce myself as the moderator. So the first speaker of the opposition is Afan Abdillah,
Kok opposition?
Oh iya.
and the first speaker from the proposition is Ramdhani, and the second speaker of the opposition is Maya,
Iya.
and the second speaker of the opposition is Mr. Aldino. The third speaker from the opposition is Ilham, and the third speaker from the proposition is Intan. So let's start with our motion.
Our
Our motion today is remote work is better than office work for IT companies. Let's start with the first speaker from the proposition is Ramdhani. The floor is yours.
Yeah.
Good evening, honorable judge, timekeeper, and my work opponents. We, the affirmative team, strongly believe that remote work is better than office work for IT companies. First, let me define the motion. Remote work refers to employees doing their tasks outside the company office, usually from home or co-working spaces. Meanwhile, office work means employees work on site in the company building. IT companies refers to business primarily focused on the development, implementation, and support of information technology systems and services. Our team will show that remote work benefits IT companies in three major ways. One, it increases productivity because employees are less distracted and more comfortable. Second, it reduces operational costs for both companies and employees. And third, it expands talent acquisition since companies can hire workers from anywhere in the world. As the first speaker, I'll explain how remote work increases productivity. My second speaker will show how it saves costs. And my third speaker will summarize why our position is stronger. Ladies and gentlemen, IT jobs often require deep focus, like coding and debugging complex systems. Long commuting hours and noisy offices reduce efficiency. A study from Rahmawati in 2021, specifically 33, demonstrates a strong correlation between reduced mobility and increased productivity. These researches emphatically demonstrate and reveals a profound shift in behavior, as this research demonstrates mobility, specifically commuting, is dramatically decreasing due to the implementation of work from home. A clear majority of 176 respondents agreed that their mobilization to the office was decreasing. Therefore, for productivity, remote work is clearly superior. Thank you.
Thirty-seven seconds. Okay.
No, 2 minutes.
37
Yes.
Ini sama aja.
Plastik ya?
Coba pakai.
Ya, pakai ini aja.
Boleh, boleh. Ada yang dari
Jangan ikut opsi kok.
Gak apa-apa.
Nanti kita maju ke mau.
Oh iya, udah ditawarin.
Kita mau.
Oke.
Ini gede nih.
Oh iya iya.
Coba ya.
Mau pakai ini lah.
Mbak, pakai hati ya mbak.
Pakai yang tadi.
Ya kayak suaranya enak aja ya.
Enakan ini, dia bikin aja.
Rasa sebelah sama soto geprek dari tadi.
Wah.
Oh iya.
Garansi asuransi.
Kau di mobil lagi.
Siapa yang lama sih?
Baru.
Iya. Sebelum. Gini gini.
Ntar dulu ya.
Speechless.
Kita sama terus ada yang nelfon. Oke. Oke, berarti udah ya. Yes, please. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Nice presentation from Ramadan. Let's move to our first speaker from the opposition, Mr. Afan Abdullah. The floor is yours.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Honorable judges, thank you very much for your attendance. Worthy of finance, yeah. Okay, you say that remote work is more productive, but I think it's not always because remote work can actually slow things down in IT teams. My reason is, sure, the no commute sounds great, but when you are fixing bugs or handling queues or incidents, you need fast and clear teamwork. Remote teams often mean delays, endless chats, and miscommunication. It's according to 2025 study from MDPI found that managers think remote work is efficient, but employees say it slows down coordination and makes things less clear. So, if speed and clarity matter, which they do in IT, which work is real. I will clarity that office work means employees perform their duties on site and in the company building, while remote work means doing tasks outside the office. Our stance is that office work is better because first, technical collaboration is more effective in the office. Second, office builds stronger teams, culture, and accountability. As the first speaker, I will focus on technical collaboration is more effective in the office. Then my second speaker will show why office build stronger team culture and accountability. My reason for the technical collaboration is more effective in the office is office work enable faster and more efficient technical collaboration than remote staffs. My reason is IT works often involve debugging, incident response, and system design. Tasks can require real-time communication and quick decision making. In-person discuss reduce delays, miscommunication, and revision loads. According to MDPI's study in 2025, that I would say that IT managers tend to overestimate while the employees report slower coordination. So this proof that for IT teams, office work support faster problem solving and better teamwork, making it a smarter choice for technical exercise. Thank you.
Okay.
Nice presentation.
2 minutes and 58. Okay. Okay. Wait a moment, please. Did you redefine the motions? Mr. Rafa?
Afan Abdullah.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because you did not agree with their definitions.
Yeah.
we are disagree.
Oh yes. Kalau misalnya di situ nggak apa-apa. Tapi kalau misalnya agree, maksudnya kayak sama define-nya, definition-nya, you do not need to redefine, right? Because you disagree and you can go with that. Okay, good. Next.
Nice, Mr. Afan. Thank you. Let's move to our second speaker
Okay.
from the
Proposition.
Mr. Aldino. The floor is yours.
Okay. Good evening, Honorable Judge, timekeeper and worthy opponent. I appreciate the opinion expressed by the opposition team, but I believe that we can now make use of online meetings to ensure that communication and coordination can continue to run smoothly. And as the second speaker of the affirmative team, I will continue by showing how remote work reduce cost significantly. For companies, remote work means saving money on office rent, electricity, internet, and maintenance. For employees, it eliminates daily transportation expenses and reduce stress from commuting. Based on research from Tanika in 2023, remote work represents a financially beneficial strategy driven by reduced commuting costs, minimize office-related expenses, and enhance worker productivity, leading to a demonstrably positive impact on the bottom line. For example, an IT company in Jakarta that adopted a hybrid and remote system reported a 30% reduction in operational costs in 2023. Those savings could be reallocated for innovation, research, and better employees' benefit. This shows that remote work is not only efficient but also a financially smart choice. In times where IT companies must stay competitive, cutting costs while improving output a big advantage. Another study from RD in 2023, it shows that an organization can benefit significantly from accepting remote work since it broadens their talent pool. It gives business nothing. It gives business access to a worldwide pool of highly qualified workers, overcoming geographic limitations. Therefore, we strongly support remote work as better model for IT companies. Thank you.
Okay. Two minutes and 23. Okay, good try, Afan. I might have a few eyes, but it is done in a protective time, right?
Oh, udah tadi berapa menit?
Apa?
Tadi udah menit kedua.
3 ke 4.
2 ke 3
2 ke 3. 2 ke 3 berarti.
Iya, 2, 3.
Iya, lu di satu kedua.
Nice try.
But let's try. I'm waiting for the few eyes actually for the second round. Okay. Okay, 2 minutes and 55. 2 minutes and 55. Okay, please.
Thank you, Mr. Aldino.
Yes.
Let's move to our second speaker of the composition, Maya. Please share. The floor is yours.
Good evening, judges. Thank you, moderator, timekeeper, and proposition team.
Okay, good evening.
Working in the office is not just about showing up to a desk. It is about building a culture of trust, accountability, and shared purpose that remote work struggle to deliver. The reason is when people meet face to face, they feel more shared. They feel more connected to their team. Ideas are exchanged with greater energy, and a natural sense of urgency pushes everyone to give their best. Ideas, colleges who see each other working hard inspire one another, creating our ownership and responsibility that cannot be replicated through screens. Research from the Journal of Business and Psychology 2025 confirmed this, showing that while remote work may sharpen focus, it also weakens emotional engagement and erodes team bonds, leading to disengagement. This make it clear the office is not just a place to get work done. It is the foundation for stronger, more motivated, and more united teams capable of achieving lasting success. Thank you.
Yeah. 35 seconds. 1 minute, 35 seconds. Okay. Yes, please.
Thank you, Ulfama Yusafira. Let's move to our first speaker from the opposition. Third, sorry.
Yes. Okay.
Third speaker, Intan, the floor is yours.
Thank you, honorable judges, timekeeper, and worthy opponents. As the third speaker, I will summarize why the motion was named. Our first speaker has shown the remote work increases productivity by removing commuting stress and distraction. Our second speaker has proven that remote work saves significant costs for both companies and employees. Meanwhile, the opposition argued the office work has problem in collaboration and security. But these arguments are flawed. First, collaboration is no longer a problem because tools like Slack, Zoom, and GitHub already make teamwork efficient across distances. And second, security risks can be managed with proper VPNs, encryption, and code-based system. Therefore, their arguments fall short. In conclusion, remote work brings productivity, cost efficiency, and global opportunities for IT companies in Jakarta and around the world. Remote work is the future. That is why this motion must stand. Thank you.
Okay. And the time is?
1 minute and 30.
Okay, 32. Okay, then. Thank you, Anna. You're going to the last one.
Thank you, Intan. Let's move to the last one. Third speaker from the opposition, Ilham. The floor is yours.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, honorable judges,
Good evening.
timekeeper, and my worthy opponent. As third speaker, for the opposition, I will dismiss the core argument present by proposition, and second, I will summarize our team case to demonstrate with absolute clarity why the motion today must fall. Let's begin example the proposition case. They have built their argument on two main pillars: the allow of increased productivity and promise of cost saving. While this point may seem attractive and the surface, they crumble under security. First, they claim the remote work increased productivity. But what they fail to acknowledge is this productivity is often a fragile, short-term illusion. Production is not just about taking off text in isolation. True, sustainable productivity is dynamic.
POI, please.
No, thank you. I will continue. It relies on seamless communication, spontaneous problem solving, and the rapid exchange of idea. Our first speaker, Avan, has already shown the technical collaboration is more effective in the office. When a team is physically present, a complex problem can be solved in minutes around a whiteboard. In a remote setup, this process gets bogged down in series of scheduler tasks, delayed chat responses, and misunderstanding lost in digital translation. So I ask you, in a short-term burst of isolate text completion would sacrifice a long-term innovation and collaboration synergy? The answer is clear no. Their model of productivity is simple of not sustainable. In conclusion, when the idea of working from home is obtained, the reality is the office environment provide the essential pillar of success and enduring company: superior collaboration, deep security, and sustainable uneven culture. That is why our case is stronger. That is why the motion must fall. Thank you.
Nice POI, okay. No, actually it's not nice. It's a strong POI. Okay, I'm waiting for that one actually. May I hear your POIs?
Yes.
What is your POI about?
My advice is sorry.
Yes.
My advice is to explain that actually we can be they say by doing work from office compared with the remote work.
Yes.
It's better for productivity, but actually it's more. There are more higher factor
Higher
factor
Higher factors?
that's more matter for the employees.
Okay.
For example, one is the how clear is the task, and it can be explained by messages like via Telegram or via GitLab that can be read anywhere. That we don't have to come to office to do the work.
To the words.
Lebih dulu.
Yes, it's okay. Never mind. Thank you for the examples, by the way. Okay. Siapa yang bisa membuat semuanya yang dikatakan tadi dalam satu kalimat? Because the POI must be brief because the maximum is only 50 seconds, like 20 seconds. Berarti kayak gimana tuh ya? Cara kita belajar bagaimana mengemas semua informasi menjadi sebuah satu kalimat yang sangat efektif. Oke. Berarti itu gimana tuh? Coba dalam satu kalimat. How can langsung to question? Kan bentuknya question ya? Question atau apa? Komen? Komen sandaran gitu.
Tapi it can be in a comment or
Yes. It can be a comment or questions. Yes, this one, right?
so kayak agree first.
Agree what? Agree, maksudnya agree sama tim lawan? Enggak kan?
Jangan.
Apa tuh?
Motion.
Make sense gitu.
Make sense.
Maybe your
Oh, positivity.
Nah, maybe your argument is make sense. But
Oh, positivity dulu.
Ya,
Sabar.
Ada
Ya, debatnya ya.
debatnya.
What you say is actually quite interesting, but don't you think that lagi gitu ya? Oke, coba belum apa?
I think
Intinya apa? Dan satu kalimat, kedua atau tiga?
productivity.
not always.
The factor of productivity is also depends on the clearness of task definition.
So it's not about police, but it's all about
Atas completion.
Task definition.
task definition ya. Berarti kan poinnya ke define tempat ya, tapi ke task completion apa?
Definition.
Definition. Oke. Nah itu kemampuan kita mengemas bahasa menjadi yang pendek itu juga lumayan berat ya. Okay. So nice actually. For the first practice itu ada POI is good ya. Again, this is very first time. Okay, for all of you. Ya kan. Kemarin ditanya pernah ada yang ikut lomba nggak? Maksudnya ikut depan nggak ada kan? Kecuali kayaknya si nggak ada second round nggak? Ayo kita ke second round. Okay, Genta or somebody, do you have any like comments or because you are right?
Okay, Genta please.
Kecuali Izul sama Denny, right? Kas, Iza, or Genta or
Genta please enak.
belum kan? Ini. Kira-kira menurut kalian gimana? Saya kira, yes, please.
General details is better for the matter.
Oke, karena mungkin udah ini ya, sudah lama sendiri, sudah banyak pengalaman, sudah banyak pengetahuan ya. Beda kalau anak sekolah, meternya bermasalah nanti. Oke, terus udah. Oh, meter dulu. Ada lagi elaborasinya? Meter gimana? 50-50.
Sosok teori.
50-50. Meter iya udah beda definisinya. Oh kalau orang pasti ada beda nih, soalnya meter beda definisi. Iya benar.
I think it's team of Ino.
Ino is pros, right? Yes. It's pro. Yeah, pros.
Win
For the banner.
manner.
Okay, why?
Because I see that the team more prepared
Okay.
more
Prepared.
but
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, actually.
I love you, Ratan.
Gue bilang kalau lagu itu sebenarnya ini ya. Ya apa ya? Bukan soft kayak emang udah diselomot gimana ya? Aura. Cuman volumenya aja nih kurang di ini mainkan ya. Volumenya tuh kayak terdengar. Oh ini keras tapi nggak jelas sama kecil tapi jelas. Pernah nggak? It's all about the articulation, right? Artikulasinya oke, cuman kayak itu jadi kurang di mata aja. Makanya nih silakan mengancam ke tim lawan ya.
Mengintimidasi.
Berarti Intan sudah mulai ya matanya.
Aja.
Tapi walaupun masih reading, right? Oke, Ramdan ini is trying like seperti biasa ya.
Extraordinary.
Bukan Ramdan ya. Apa sih? Third speaker ada impact nggak? Cuman summarizing ya.
Tadi ada di battle kompos.
Yang hilang di battle apa?
Tentang pos.
Yang bosnya yang
Ya, argumen dari situ ya. Tapi
Dari battle dia juga, gue ngeri battle.
tapi terintegrasi dengan itu gabung dengan itunya argumennya.
ya, yang bahas tentang yang project cost save lah.
Oke. Oh iya, apa redefine itu setelah rebuttal?
Iya.
Oke. Why?
Why?
Because biasanya redefine dulu baru rebuttal ya.
Soalnya biar clarity dari sih.
Apa?
Udah bawa kesel kan?
Oh,
Terlalu serius, bocah serius.
Oh, suasana gitu.
Terlalu serius.
Balapan is not sumbu pendek, right? Oke, bagus itu. Tapi emosinya disalurkan ke yang jalannya. Nah, itu bakal bagus tuh. Kalau punya power ya. Tapi powernya on track ya. Karena POI tadi bagus tuh, kayak full of power. Cuman sayangnya protected time ya. Apa? Kalau POI-nya gimana tadi? Coba terakhir. POI-nya gimana?
About the cost.
Hah?
About the cost jadi soal itu kan jelasin cost ya.
Oke, gimana?
Oh,
Intinya?
I think his opinion is fair, but the cost, the efficiency of cost is not more important than slower onboarding, miscommunication, and security risk.
Okay, got it. Okay, everyone, thank you very much. Again, thank you very much for your nice presentations. And this is maybe kalau member sih nggak ada masalah ya. Berarti nanti practice 2-nya member nih kita isunya kayak lebih di-improve lagi ya. Kalau membernya kayaknya udah nggak ada ini ya. Kecuali lebih iya member sih ini saya pengen ada nanti di practice 2 ya. Kayak kalau bisa automatization ya. Apa sih namanya? Kalau bisa script itu sebagai stimulus aja. Kalau nggak bisa ya udah hand gestures kayak body language ya. Kayak apa tadi? Body apa? Body language. Iya, body language. Bukan body language ya. Okay, body language. Okay, that's all I guess. Any question? Yes.
In second practice, emotion is same or different?
Yeah, we must like on the spot, like totally on the spot. Case building.
How to research before?
Nah, di case building namanya. So you have like 15 minutes to research.
Yeah.
Yes. That's in a real one actually. Nah, itu on the spot ya.
Oh, oke.
Time-nya?
Okay, the group is like, wait, it's supposed to be like 15 minutes for discussing the, what we call that?
Maybe divide.
You what? Divide?
Divide the team and
Oh.
Nanti grup
Maksudnya divide or define? Oh, just define. Mendefinisikan kembali. Oh, determine. Oh, you can determine. Tapi pro atau kontranya nanti gitu ya?
Iya.
kelompoknya sekarang gitu.
Kan nanti aja.
Nanti aja lah.
Kalau sekarang gimana? 1, 2, 3 gitu? Atau sama? Siapa? Oh, betul. Ya udah gimana kalau mau ini asalkan dapat pro atau kontranya nanti gitu ya?
Iya.
Oh ya udah gimana? Kayak
Dari ruangan campus dulu.
Iya.
Anjay.
Karena emang kalau di kampus-kampus itu kan emang timnya emang dari awal emang itu kan.
Iya.
Cuma kan kita nggak tahu pro atau kontranya, kita mau seperti apa. Ya udah, ayo gimana?
Gacha lagi.
Oh mau digacha?
Ya,
Let's go gacha.
Itu berapa tim? 2.
Dua lagi. Dua kan 3-3.
4 lah. Oh, 6. Udah maksudnya 2 topik.
Next week,
Iya, coba kan 2 tim ya?
4.
Hah? 4 tim? Maksudnya kan kita 12 ya? Berarti motionnya 1 atau 2? 2 kan?
2 dong.
Tapi nanti ada 5 motion ya? Oh, iya, gacha lagi. Oke.
Istri satu apa lebih dari satu? Tema debat.
Time keepernya nggak boleh sama, harus beda.
Nanti digatak dong.
Ya. Kan nggak ada di sini ya. Ini apa nih?
Tim.
Buat yang next.
Oh juga.
Oke, yang first place. Berarti pro gitu.
Pro.
Ya,
Oh,
sama.
silakan.
Ya terserah mau pro atau pro.
Jangan. Emang aku bilang gitu ya sih.
Kayaknya slow terus ya.
Iya dong.
Ini apa ya? Tapi ini maksudnya gimana? Bakalan jadi tim apa? Maksudnya apa gitu? Oh ini kelompok.
Kelompoknya aja,
Kelompok.
dulu.
Berarti gimana tuh?
Nanti aja pro dan kontra.
Iya,
Tulis
boleh
aja
aja.
satu siapa.
Satu dulu.
Typing.
Padahal buka laptop semua.
Oh, maksud si Raka tuh ada 4 tim gitu ya?
Iya.
Oh, maksudnya ya tim 1, tim 2, tim 3.
Iya, nanti di anunya nanti.
Good. Berarti yang kedua apa? Jadi tim 2 gitu?
Enggak, masih sama.
Oh, masih satu tim.
Kalau sama aman udah best.
Kalau lupa apa jadinya? Tim
Ya, masuk timku, masuk
Tim
timku.
sama
Speaker
Masuk
dulu.
timku. Berapa orang nih? 3 orang.
3. Sama aja, cuma dikocok lagi.
Dikocok lagi.
Oh. Oke.
Ini musuh buku. Speakernya diurutin nggak?
Apa?
Speakernya diurut lagi. Satu lagi.
Ya, nanti mau urut lagi kan?
Oh bebas, mau speaker 1, 2, 3
Oh, bebas. Oke.
Siap.
Karena kita beneran kayak real debate ya.
Oke.
Dari siapa?
Ini cuma tim yang
Mini.
Woi, let's go, Pak.
siapa tadi? Yang pertama itu?
Ini kurang bisa aja sih. Suruh maksud dia gitu.
Ramdan sih.
Enggak, bro.
Dia sendiri aja. Di timekeeper. Di timekeeper.
Bener
Ini ngomongin. Ungger.
Game Younger.
Ungger.
Semua kas lagi makanya.
Aduh.
Ya benar.
Satu lagi.
Kalau ada ini Ungger.
Enggak dong.
Ungger.
Ya gue usah di.
Wah, berantakan sih, pikir berantakan sih.
Mau kasih aja AS kasih. Lawan Magna
Berarti sih saya satu ya.
Let's go.
Lu ngapain lu?
Wah, gimana nih?
Gas. Let's go.
Ungger.
Oke, berarti ini 3. Begini.
Yes.
Wah, bener berantakan juga sih.
Gak ada yang setim. Iya, yang diacak-acak ya.
Iya, dia cepat.
Kalau ada yang masih satu tim kan?
Berarti tim 1 bakal apa ya?
Yes.
Karena kan
Ini gacha lagi.
Gacha lagi, yes.
Oke. So, that's all I guess, right?
Yes.
Ceplas kali.
First speaker tuh masih bisa abis first speaker emang udah kelar ibaratnya gitu. First speaker dari opposition
Posisi.
Biasanya kelar.
kelar atau sebenarnya bisa belajar
Ada sesi lain.
Nggak ada ya?
Nggak ada.
Berarti
Kelar.
itu berarti ya? Kecuali yo itu
Kan 5 menit.
Oh iya. Iya, kalau yang aku 5 menit gitu ya. 5 menit kita naikin ya.
Betul.
Oh iya, tapi talking about the third speaker, actually third speaker cannot be rebutted. Ya, nggak boleh
sih.
di-rebut. Ya,
Nggak ada.
kedepannya nanti yang third speaker tuh nggak boleh di-rebut.
Nah, tadi gue
Nggak boleh di-rebut.
first and third.
Hah?
First and third.
Yang first boleh.
Yang third.
Yang first nggak even in apa promotion nggak apa? From promotion, misalnya from opposition Big Brother the
opposition.
first
Yang first speaker dari cons atau pro? Pro.
Misalnya yang pro lagi ngomong first speakernya.
Ya udah nggak apa-apa boleh.
Boleh.
Tapi di menit kedua sampai ketiga ya.
Betul.
Oh yes.
Yang nggak boleh.
Apa?
Iya,
Spam,
itu
spamming.
Oh, spam.
Spam like
You are nggak boleh. You are itu.
Oh, boleh itu bagian strategi.
Nggak pakai. Itu gimana ya?
Misalnya PLI kita boleh ngasih kayak suruh satu tim teman tim kita yang lain baca.
Enggak.
Sorry. Kita satu tim terus nyuruh tim lain teman
Misalkan
satu tim.
Ya, dia lagi ngomong terus ya dia nyuruh Iza nyuruh dia yang jawab.
Oh, yang lagi ngomong siapa?
Iza.
Terus yang nyuruh
Dia nyuruh
Terus
di
di
PLI.
PLI.
Terus dia nyuruh Ramdan buat jawab dan jawab. Boleh nggak?
Oh nggak boleh. Yang lagi speaker kan
Iya.
si
Iza.
Ya nggak boleh lah.
Harus Iza kan?
Harus Iza benar.
Harus
Oh iya
apa?
bagus. Wah ini nggak pernah terjadi sih. Cuman ya itu nggak boleh. Dilempar maksudnya. Itu kayak diskusi ya. Oke, good. Any question again?
Game please.
No, thank you. So that's all I guess. Thank you very much. And saya isi masalah
Sama UPS.
Game. Tak mana tak?
Kemarin nggak ada Zoom, siapa yang manggil Genta?
Nggak ada.
Ada.
Aku apa ya? Nunjuk apa ya? Yang apa?
Kan apa ya?
Iya, harapan dikit-dikit Genta.
Genta pas dulu nggak ada.
Tetap Genta.
Nanti lawannya siapa? Iya, dia belum.
Mas Ramdan dong. Mas Ramdan. Kamu Mas Ramdan udah bawa statement tentang PNPN sih.
Ilham, HP-nya
Tapi kenapa kalian nggak ini dah?